All right, let's tackle one of the biggest questions that new Linux users always ask. If you're coming from Windows, this is probably top of mind. And hey, it's a fair question. You see stuff like this all the time. It can feel a little scary, right?
So let's just cut to the chase. For almost 30 years, the expert answer has been a solid no.
But why is that the answer? Well, it's not magic. It's all about the architecture. See, Linux and Windows have totally different philosophies when it comes to keeping you safe. First up, let's talk about permissions. On Linux, you're in control, not the apps. Basically, nothing nasty can get system-wide control unless you literally hand over the keys. Okay, pillar number 2, the chain of trust. This is about where your software comes from. It's kind of like a super secure app store that's vetted and curated just for you.
You can really see the difference. One's a trusted source, the others, well, the Wild West.
And that brings us to our third pillar, transparency. This one is a huge deal. Think about it. With thousands of eyes on the code, bugs get found and squashed way faster. But look, this doesn't mean Linux is totally bulletproof. Your own habits really do matter. Someone on Reddit really said it best. Security isn't something you buy, it's something you do. So yeah, you still gotta be smart. Don't just go running random scripts you find online. So let's circle back to that big question we started with. Do you actually need an antivirus? For most of us, nope. The built-in architecture is all the protection you'll likely ever need. Because at the end of the day, real security is something that's built in, not bolted on later.